Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Atlas credit card. The Atlas credit card is designed for people who want a simple approval, easy growth, and real savings. It offers 0% APR, high approval rates, and safe spending limits that grow with your usage. Even if you don't have a credit history, you can still get approved, while traditional credit cards approve only a small number of applicants without credit history. Atlas offers much higher approval chances and grows as you do. You can get approved in just 2 minutes through the app. Once you connect your bank, Atlas sets a safe spending limit based on your finances, which increases over time as you continue to use the card responsibly. It also comes with a Smart Pay, which helps you manage your balance automatically, and Smart Save, which builds savings while you spend, making it easier to stay on top of your budget and grow your credit at the same time. Atlas includes a full bundle of premium features for one simple price, giving you access to a subscription manager, a deposit account with early paycheck access, and even tax filing services at no extra cost. All of these services are part of the plan, available for a small monthly or yearly fee. When you pay your wireless bill using your Atlas card, your phone gets free protection for the next month. If it's stolen or damaged, you can be reimbursed for up to $500. Purchase made with your Atlas card also come with extended warranty protection, adding up to an additional year to the manufacturer's warranty, with a maximum claim of $10,000 and up to $50,000 per card holder. You also get built-in auto rental coverage when you use your Atlas card to rent a car, saving you from paying extra at the counter. On the top of that, it includes travel and emergency assistance, giving you access to help anytime, anywhere in the world. Overall, the Atlas credit card is great for anyone who wants an easy approval process, simple money management, and strong protection benefits. With its growing limits, automatic savings tools, and built-in coverage, it's a well-rounded card that offers real value, especially for those just starting to build their credit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.